Hi friends, this is Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a hidden treasure in the Western Ghats. This sanctuary is popular among the tourists who visit Goa. The government of Goa declared Netravali as a wildlife sanctuary to protect its Western Ghats range. It is located about 45 km from Margu railway station and Panaji is 75 km from Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. It covers an area of 211 square kilometer. One can see a high range, beautiful mountains and waterfalls here. It is worth to make a visit to this scenic wildlife sanctuary. Trekking through the thick forest is adventurous. While trekking, we should have a bit of care and the precaution to be followed as the terrain is very rough, steep and the presence of wild animals. Netravali has popular waterfalls which attracts the tourist much. Today I am going to visit this sanctuary. I hope the trip will be an amazing. This is the entrance of the wildlife sanctuary. The entry fees for a person is 50 rupees. Camera charge 50 rupees. Bike charge 50 rupees and car charge 100 rupees. There is a popular waterfall deep inside the forest, the Mainapi waterfall. It is about 4.5 km from here. My aim to visit that waterfall. I started my trekking through the thick forest. Today I am alone. The forest is completely silent. I have a little fear because I could not find any presence of human beings here. There are some footprints of animals. So I am very keen about the presence of wild animals. Leopards and black panthers are common here. The narrow path runs through the thick forest like a python.
Are you all my personal dreams?
It is really an adventurous journey. Walking along the steep valley, I reached the destination. That is the waterfall. It is beautiful and very high. There are some tourists already present there. They are enjoying under the waterfall. I walk near to the waterfall. Among the rocks, the waterfall runs with its own music. What a wonderful view!
Are you all my personal dreams?
Some are taking bath under the running water, but I do not want to go to the water because it is very cold. After walking a long distance of 5 kilometers, I really touched the heart of Netravali. This is the call of Netravali. This is the call of nature.
Are you all my personal dreams?
It is an awesome place. You need to trek, but once you reach there, it will chill you. From Mainapi waterfalls, I have to go to Savari waterfall. Savari waterfall is 1 kilometer inside from the main road. Comparing walk to Mainapi waterfall, Savary waterfall is very easy. You should have take enough drinking water and some snacks with you. I never recommend old people and very small children to go to Mainapi waterfall. They can visit Savary waterfall. It is better. This is the vibe of Netravali Natural Sanctuary. They are coming back after visiting the Savary waterfall.
Everything you know is in your mind.
This path is also very steep and narrow. There we can see the Savary waterfall. This is Savary waterfall. It is also a very beautiful waterfall. Comparing Mainapi waterfall, it is smaller.
Are you all my personal dreams?
This waterfall also have its own beauty. Some are taking bath there. It is a very nice place to visit in Goa. If you liked my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.